Hey, and welcome to today's episode of Countdown to Code Black, a Black Friday sales event. My name is Cynthia Akita, and I am your brand strategist, designer, and educator here at the Design Firmacy. And we are continuing our series, and we're showing you some carousel templates that we will be having available during our Code Black event. So you'll see a couple of them here on your screen, but I'm going to show you individually what each of the templates entail. So we have our Intro Made Easy Carousel template, and you'll see if you watch our Make It Your Own Design Academy show here on YouTube, you'll see that we remixed a template and created this to help you introduce yourself easily on whatever platform of your choice. So you have this like magazine-like look to start with. You could put your name there and your not salutation, but your title, and then let people know they can swipe to learn more. So you can switch up the photos. We use duotone here, and so when you click edit, you'll see duotone is highlighted and gives you the opportunity to change. So you can change the colors there. And then the next page also gives you an opportunity to say something else about yourself, and then wrap it up with how people can keep up with you. And so additionally, with these templates, you could always duplicate some of these pages if you want to make the carousel a bit longer, but it's all up to you. And then we have our process in 4 carousel. So this is the example that we use is how to work with us. So there are 4 steps for each of the boxes, 4 boxes, but you can use it for anything you want. So whether it's a process, whether it's your framework, whatever it is, you have 4 options or 4 ways to tell 4 openings for you to share information. So you'll see number 1, book your consultation, select your location. This is for like a photographer. Enjoy your session, and then receive your edited photos and you can post. So ready to get started, and then it has the call to action or the website there. We also have the stories version for you guys, and if you guys love these photos here, I will put my hot stock affiliate link on the screen. You can visit the designpharmacy.com/hot-stock. So again, I'll put that on the screen if it's not already on there. But we created the same design, but for you guys to use in your stories. You could also use it in your highlights as well, just to make things simpler for people who, like, in case they tend to miss information, you can have a specific highlight that is for your process specifically. So the same process there. And keep in mind that you will not get these specific photos because they are paid stock photos. So you'll get these instead, these AI photos that I created just as placeholders, and you can fill it with whatever photos fit your specific brand. And then we have our ask and answer carousel. So you can even see it on the side here, but I'm gonna hide that for a second. And it says Q&A on the front. And then it's kind of like an accordion style design that we used here. And so you put the question, and then you can put the other questions down below, but you'll see, as because it's a carousel, you'll go through each of these will open up. So you'll see the first one is open up. You can put the answer there, and then you'll see the first one closed up and the second one open. So that's why it's important that you put all the questions in. That way it can flow like seamlessly as it would if you were on a website and you were just clicking. So that's the second question, the third question, and then the fourth question. And then to end it off, you can say, do you have any more questions? Blah, blah, blah. Maybe you could contact me here, or send me a DM, blah, 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 so on and so forth. And then in this kit, we have 2 designs for you. So you have that first set, and then this is the second set, which is also a part of the kit. So we're answering all of your questions. So the question and then the answer, question, answer, another format to do question, answer, another format, And then you can just literally put all your most frequently asked questions. And if you want to get really creative, you can just scrap the questions and use it to share information about your particular niche or your industry. Because again, it's a template. It's just a foundation for you to use. Use your creative mind. It doesn't necessarily have to be a question and answer. It doesn't have to be used for questions and answers. It could be used to highlight information, and so you guys have the opportunity to use these templates for whatever you deem fit for your specific brand. Now we also have our client love carousel, customers showing you love. And this kit also comes with 2 sets of carousels. And so let's go through it. So the first page, here's the second page, one layout here, another with a photo, another as well. You can put 2, and you could also change, the width or the length of each of these boxes. I've done that for you guys. And then here's another layout. And you could also change the colors of the stars and determine how many stars. Hopefully they're all 5 stars for you guys. But I did want to show you an option in case it's a 4-star or whatever it may be, and how that could look. So you have the text boxes with photos attached as well. And then you can invite them to review you on Google, on your website, wherever it may be. Now here's the second out of the set. Get the tea from our customers. I wouldn't go anywhere else. There's a layout there. Again, keep in mind that these are not the photos that you will receive, because these are paid stock photos. Again, feel free to use my affiliate for these specific photos. So you have another layout here, another one, another, final one, and then to round things out, you have this final page here. So I hope you guys like what you're seeing. All of this will be available during Code Black, which is coming up this week. So don't fall asleep, set your alarms bright and early. Well, not bright and early, because technically it'll be open at midnight. So it won't be bright and early. It'll be dark and calm, hopefully, maybe from Thanksgiving. But either way, enjoy the sale. Don't miss out. Set your alarms. I did want to show you guys that, because we are your brand pharmacy, we do market our packaging and everything as if it is a medication on a shelf. And so our template line is called Templanol. And so you'll see here, this is specifically for the carousels. You'll see carousels at the top, and then you'll see the name of the design, and then you'll see a faded view of the templates that are in that pack. Now you'll also see the dimensions of whatever is being sold and the number of templates in each kit that is being sold. So for example, here, I haven't finished designing everything. I'm working on it now. But for processing 4, I could actually just do it while you guys watch. So for processing 4, I can just drag some over here. All right, so you'll see in the background what the template entails, a little bit of that. And then you'll see 6 Instagram posts with that dimension, and then 6 Instagram reels or stories. And keep in mind that it's not just for Instagram, but because, well, I don't know if it originated on Instagram, if those dimensions originated there, but let's just go with that for now. It may or may not have, but that's neither here nor there. But all in all, you have 12 templates there. And then with ask and answer, you'll see them in the background here. And then you may think that this is a mistake, but it's not. So you have 6 of one set of the carousels, and then 6 of the second set. So for ask and answer, let me do the grid view. So you'll see the first 6 pages, that is one carousel. And then the second set of 6 pages is the second carousel. So when it says 6 and then 6, it's to signify or symbolize the 2 sets of carousels there. But in total, it is 12 pages of the templates. And then with Client Love as well, those carousels include 7 pages in each. So you'll see that a total of 14. So with that said, actually, I even want to show you guys some of this too. So this is what I typically do when I am designing stuff for the shop. Like, I want you guys to see and feel the whole shop vibe. You are in the Firmacy, the Design Firmacy, and these are items that are on our shelves. And so even with this here, I'm going to use this for the products photo so that you guys can see, you know, it truly is a remedy for whatever design issue you are facing. And so you'll see, let me zoom in so you guys can see it a little bit closely. So on the side here, you'll see the templates, you know, and you'll see, oh, you know what? I even messed that up. I need to fix that. It's a good thing that I showed you guys. So I need to update this so that it shows the correct templates on the front. But with that said, you'll see Doc, our icon or mark at the top here to show you that it belongs to the Design Firmacy. And, you know, the little, I don't know what these are called, but the thing that you put on those hooks inside the store. So that's our process, and you know, that's what it's going to look like. I hope you guys are as excited as I am about Code Black, which is coming up this week. I hope you guys enjoy, you know, the shopping experience. Please tell your friends, your business besties, everybody to come and get their templates, their courses, all the things to help heal your brands. All right. So I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Make sure if you have not signed up for Code Black already, go ahead and visit thedesignpharmacy.com/code-black to sign up for free so that you could get early access to these exclusive deals and amazing templates, tools, and resources. All right. I'll catch you guys later. Bye.